Now the let's answer part of question 7.2, where examiner asks you to analyze and answer the table 4, which is starch test. Results: green part turns blue-black, white part stays orange-brown. Now next question, examiner requires your answer to be based on command word to analyze the answer of table 4 and explain the results. Question 7.3 asks you to explain the answer. That why is this answer? Green part contains chlorophyll, white part lacks chlorophyll. Let's move to the next slide, which begin with statement some leaves green parts become yellow due to ion deficiency. Let's answer the question 7.4 part about this ion deficiency, and the answer is magnesium. Moving on to the next question, part 7.5, where examiner check your deeper understanding of yellowing of leaves. What is this scientific term called as? And the answer is chlorosis. Next question, AQA examiners check your practical knowledge and understanding here. Question 0.76 part asks you to explain how can oxygen produced during photosynthesis and be used to measure the rate of photosynthesis. This is a very important concept, and the answer I could be obtained count bubbles per minute or measure oxygen volume over time. Let's move to next slide, where examiner check your data analysis and its interpretation skills. Here on slide the figure 7 shows a graph of limiting factors such as light, carbon dioxide and temperature. The rate of photosynthesis shows on y-axis and light intensity on x-axis. On the basis of data showed on this graph, question 7.7 first asks you limiting factor definition. A factor in short supply that prevents the rate increasing further. Let's move on to the next slide, question part 7.8, which asks you to explain the increasing effects of temperature and carbon dioxide on rate of photosynthesis as shown in figure 7. The answer is by increasing CO2 increases rate of photosynthesis, and by increasing temperature increases rate, up to a point, because enzymes work faster. Moving on to the next question 7.9, which asks you to explain inverse square law. Light intensity is proportional to 1 over distance squared. Exam top tip: chlorophyll is the pigment for autotrophic factory. No chlorophyll, no starch. Question 8 on next slide deals with cell division and cancer. Topic is mitosis and cancer. Let's begin with question number 8.1, where examiner asks you to before division, the cell grows and increases subcellular structures. Let's answer the question 8.2, name the structure Z, and the answer is cell membrane. Next question 0.83 part AQA examiner check your mathematical skills, where figure 8 is used for magnification calculation. The formula is shown here. Step 1. Calculate real length. Step 2. Convert units to match. Step 3. Divide image by actual. Final magnification. Approximately 8010 times. Exam top tip: always convert units before dividing. That's where easy marks are lost. Let's move to the next slide, question part, where figure 9 shows the phases of mitotic cell division.